Recovering deleted messages on Afterpay can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you retrieve those messages. Step 1. Check your email. Look for any emails from Afterpay in your inbox. Often, transaction confirmations and notifications are sent via email, which may contain the information you need. Step 2. Access the Afterpay app. Open the Afterpay app on your device. Navigate to your account settings or transaction history, where you might find records of your previous messages or transactions. Step 3. Contact customer support. If you cannot find the messages through email or the app, reach out to Afterpay's customer support. Provide them with your account details and request assistance in recovering your deleted messages. Step 4. Review your device backups. If you regularly back up your device, check your backup files. Depending on your device, you may be able to restore data that includes your Afterpay messages. Step 5. Monitor for future messages. To avoid losing important messages in the future, consider enabling notifications and regularly checking your account. This way, you can stay updated and minimize the risk of missing important communications. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your deleted messages or at least find alternative ways to access the information you need.